Hi, today I want to talk about Google Wi-Fi. That's the product that I'm really excited about. I finally got it a couple of weeks ago. I did a couple of tests and I just want to share with you my excitement. It's a really great product. As opposed to old ugly looking routers, Google Wi-Fi is a nice white beautiful cylinder with indicator light in the middle that is really functional, easy to use, and it's just beautiful. So why did I buy it? My old ThreadNet is about 5 years old and it was getting kind of sketchy. I was getting signal on and off. I had to reset it at least once a month. It was recommended to me by a friend who's a computer technician and he knows what he's talking about, and I'm really happy I bought it. The best feature is that this thing has 2.4 and 5 gigs Wi-Fi system, and it's very simple to use. On the bottom you have 3 connectors. The one in the middle is the power, and then you connect your modem, and on the right you connect your external device like another router or computer or anything that you need to connect to the Ethernet. Another reason why I bought this Google Wi-Fi is that the speed I was getting through my old router was not even half of what my cable connection was giving me. I was getting 50 megabits per second going to my modem. On a cable going to my computer I was also getting 50, but on the Wi-Fi I was getting maybe 20 megabits per second download. When I have those two connected and I check the speed of the Wi-Fi connection going through Google Wi-Fi, it's 100% speed of what I get through the cable, which right now I have 100 megabits per second going to my modem, 100 megabits per second going to my another router on a cable, but Google transmits another 100 megabits per second wirelessly. It also, very good feature on Google Wi-Fi is it automatically switches to the channel that is the least congested. Setup is super easy. What makes it even easier, that all you have to do is just download the app on your smart device, and then everything is gonna be set up automatically for you. So Google Wi-Fi is so smart that I connected that to my old router and everything was done automatically. I didn't have to change anything. So one of the screens shows you your Wi-Fi point and how many devices are connected, and you can check in real time what is connected to you. Another great feature of Google Wi-Fi is security. I can have my guest Wi-Fi set up on Google Wi-Fi plus family Wi-Fi. So if you have kids and you want to turn off your Wi-Fi, let's say 10 o'clock, so the kids will have to go to sleep, you're gonna give them the password and access to family Wi-Fi. At 10 o'clock, everything shuts off, no more internet, good night. So another very important feature for me is guest Wi-Fi. I don't need to give my guests my personal Wi-Fi password and I have control over my network. I'm just creating guest Wi-Fi for those that are my guests, and they're going to have their restricted or non-restricted access to the internet. You can also set priority device, which will give one of your devices priority in speed. Let's say you have a couple of devices connected at the same time, but one is more important. You want to give them more juice. You can set it over here. Network check. We can test Wi-Fi, and you will see what we're getting right now. I'm getting 100 megabits per second, around 100 megabits per second going to my modem, and then we'll see what I'm getting on the network. This actually checks all the devices connected right now. And as you can see, 100 megabits per second, 120, almost 100. And my iPad, whoa, more than 250 megabits per second. It's just amazing. All you have to do is click next, and basically Google Wi-Fi will set up everything on its own. The only two things that you need to set up is to set up the Wi-Fi network name and a password, and everything is done automatically within, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. As simple as that. I'm not gonna go through the steps. It's really straightforward. You can probably see it on Google Wi-Fi website. With Google Wi-Fi, you can also control your smart devices like light bulbs, switches. Everything is done in app. I don't have any of those. In settings, you can change your passwords. You can see all the details about your Wi-Fi point. You have advanced network settings. If you have to do it, you can do everything without connecting to the computer. All it's done through the app. Another excellent feature of this router is that it automatically gives you all the updates. My old router within last 5 years had maybe one update, which is ridiculous. This one gives me updates basically almost once a week, and everything is up to date all the time. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.